Summer is here and so are the daisies. Let's greet the season with a bright and beautiful bouquet brought to life using pastels. Hi, I'm Moni and welcome to my channel, where we turn simple materials into magical works of art. Let's begin! To begin, we'll give the jug a subtle embossed effect using a light blue pencil. I gently apply the pencil powder to the left side of the jug with a tissue, because the light is coming from the right. And yes, you guessed it, I'm using a tea strainer to turn the pencil into powder. Now it's time for negative painting. If you are new to this, negative painting is a technique where we color around an object to let the object itself remain uncolored and stand out almost like it's glowing. In our case, I'll be drawing around the daisies so the white paper becomes the petals. Let's start by sketching around the flowers with a green pencil. Before we go further, I know I'll need a blending tool with a fine tip, so I fold a small piece of paper multiple times to make a quick and effective DIY blender. Next, I fill the surrounding area with different shades of green, shaping the leaves and stems. Now the blending tool comes into action. I use it to soften the edges around the flowers. For larger areas, cotton swabs work beautifully. Once the first layer is blended, I take a darker green to add detail and dimension to the stems. And here they come. Our first daisies appear like magic. I repeat the same process for all the daisies, bringing them to life, one by one. To add brightness and joy, I introduce some light blue and turquoise to the background. As I get closer to the jug, I deepen the tones for contrast. Now we shift focus to the jug itself, again using the negative drawing method to shape it. Then I bring an ultramarine blue oil pastel to decorate the jug. Don't worry if you don't have the exact shade. Any dark blue will work just fine. Here comes a fun little technique. I use quick, wobbly, vibrating hand movements almost like my hand is slightly shaking. This creates bushy, tree-like textures in the background. Make sure the tops of these shapes stay centered for a more natural look. Continuing with negative painting. At this point, most of the daisies are fully visible. To protect the artwork while working, I place a tissue or sheet of paper under my drawing hand so I don't accidentally smudge the surface. Let's now focus on the centers of the daisies. I use a mix of yellow ochre and orange shades and blend them gently. Remember, the right side should be lighter and the left side darker, in line with our light direction. For a slightly more advanced step, adding shadows to the white petals to make them feel three-dimensional. I softly apply pale gray, pale blue, violet, and a bit of regular gray. Once the shadows are in place, I use cotton swabs to gently fade and blend them. Oh, I noticed a section of the leaves is still undone. Let's finish those now. truly hope you enjoyed painting with me today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with someone who would enjoy it too. It really helps more people discover my tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun, colorful, and beginner-friendly art projects. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.